Hey, you guys. Um, Apparently HBO Go will be on the PS3 and the PS4. You know, the HBO Go app, the one that you get on your smartphones or whatever. Yeah, it coming to the systems. But here go my thing here. It's like it's just no reason to actually have cable anymore. I swear if they put an AMC app on my damn PlayStation 4, it's over it. I'm like, we already got NBA League Pad, NFL Ticket, the NFL, the NHL. We got every sport you could think of on there. We got Netflix, Crunchyroll, Hulu, every damn thing is coming on these systems. It turned these systems to a media cable box, and make it cable going sooner or later. Cable gonna be obsolete. Personally, I don't even have cable in my room. It's somewhere else it's cable in the house, but I don't have it in my room. But HBO Go, I'm not personally going to invest in it, but I know a lot of people that love HBO, so this is pretty good for them. You can read the article in the description below. Tell me what you guys think. Make sure you guys rate, comment, and subscribe. I'm out of here. Peace.